don't hide from me.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
You said that, now prove it, please. All that talk don't mean a thing.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
Look me straight, don't dodge the scene. If it's real, then keep it clean.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
Why you switch when the lights on you? Why you freeze when it's time to prove?
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
Say it once, say it twice. Don't go quiet, don't think twice.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi.
All that talk, yeah, cut it out. If it's real, then say it loud.
Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi. Say wallahi, bro. Say wallahi. Say wallahi.
At nilalagay sa peligro yung mga even yung sergeant at arms. Primarily to ensure order sa within the Senate premises at proteksyonan yung mga senador. Pero hindi sila to detain.
Meron pa yan.
Nasa mandato ng NBI, pwede nilang huliin yung
Wait lang.
mga sergeant at arms na maghuhuli sa kanila. Ganun na nangyari.
And I think just to update the public, the Senate Sergeant at Arms got the House Representatives, right? And that's because of the here's the situation. Anton de la Rosa will confine himself to his office. You know, you can set up a bed there, you can eat lunch
Diba?
there. Wait it out until
Ako yan! Bakit afisa mo yan? Oh,
birthday
ayun, di ba account mo yan?
for entering Senate premises.
Saan pa?
Ito po.
Wait lang, ito account niya. Siya yan.
Sa Monte,
Ito account niya.
Pinalitan na siya kaagad nung nag-assume si Cayetano. Ngayon, itong bagong Sergeant at Arms, ito yung nag-uutos nitong mga illegal orders. Kaya nagkaroon ng gulo. Ngayon, to answer your question, wala pong power ang Sergeant at Arms to prevent the enforcers from serving a valid warrant. Kagaya nga nung sinabi ko noon, nung una, nung sa akin, nung binawi yung amnesty,
Hello guys.
the policemen were trying to arrest me without a warrant. Prevent ni Senator Soto, who was then the Senate President. Sinabi niya, kailangan magkaroon kayo ng warrant. Eventually, nung dumating
Ito,
ang
taas.
warrant, pinapasok sila at sumama ako.
Ah.
Sinasabi nilang mag-stay siya doon ng 2 years.